Welcome students, how are you all? In this video, I will solve first question of exercise 3.2. It is on page number 25. See, this is the page of your textbook, page number 25. So, this question is related to division. Now, first question, it is first part. It is given that perform 255 division operator and 15. So what is the meaning of this? Listen, this number is the dividend and it is called divisor. What is the meaning? इस नंबर को आपको डिवाइड करना है इस नंबर से, तो जो भी नंबर पहले आता है उसको आप यहाँ इनसाइड लिखेंगे और इस नंबर को आउटसाइड लिखेंगे. नाउ दिस इज 15. इट मीन्स we cannot divide 2 by 15. You have to consider this first digit, it is smaller, then consider these two digits. 25, it is bigger than 15, so divide 25 by 15. 15 1 ja 15, 15 2 ja 30. 30 is bigger. See, this is the table, so 30 is bigger than 25, so we will consider 15 1 ja 15. Now after subtraction we have 10, okay, and we will copy this 5. Now try to divide 105 by 15. So it is 15 4 ja 60, 15 5 ja 75, and it is 90, and 15 7 ja 105. Okay, if you remember the table of 15 or whatever, the division becomes easier. Okay, so it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 ja 15, 7 ja 105, and the remainder is 0. So the answer is 17. Now it is the answer of first question of exercise 3.2. So it is quotient and remainder. Okay, you have to mention the quotient and remainder. Listen carefully. It is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. So you have to write quotient equals to 17 and remainder equals 0. You can write 0 also. Okay, the cross means 0. So quotient is 17, remainder is 0. It is quotient, it is remainder. Now second part. Okay, second part is 312 divided by 12. 312 divided by 12. So it is 312 and it is 12. Now 3 is smaller than 12, so we will divide 31 by 12. 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 12 3 ja 36. 36 is bigger, so 12 2 ja 24. After subtraction we get 7, and we will copy this 2, and if you remember the table, it is 12 6 ja 72 and remainder is 0. Okay, now we have quotient equals 26 and remainder equals 0. Again I tell you, this is quotient, this is remainder. So this is the answer of second part. Note it down. I hope students you are getting well. So all these questions which are the part of first question are related to division, and I solve third part. It is 640 divided by 16. So we will divide 64. If you remember the table, it is 16 4 ja 64, and after subtraction we have 0, and if we will copy this 0, again it becomes 0. Double 0 means just 0. So after copying this 0, if you are not able to divide, then this we put 0 here. Okay, whatever the number you copy from the dividend, okay, here, and if division is not possible, you have to put 0 here. So in this way the quotient is 40 and remainder is 0. Alright, and now I think I should give few questions in the assignment from these 10 parts of first question. So first, second and third are solved. Fourth and fifth will be the work of assignment. I solve sixth part. Okay, sixth part is 770 divided by 28, 770 by 28. Okay, if you write the table, it will consume your time. So just try to multiply randomly by, suppose we consider 5 8 ja 40, 4 carry, and it is 140. So it is very far from 210. Now try with 8 8 ja 64, 6 carry, and 16 plus 6 22. It is bigger. So I hope we have to consider 28 7 ja. It is 8 7 ja 56, 5 carry, 7 2 ja 14 plus 5 19. So it is 28 7 ja 196. Okay, and after subtraction we have 14. Now you can see that the quotient is 27. It is exercise 3.2, and we should check the answer also. 3.2, this is sixth part of first question. So 27 and 14. Okay, you can write quotient is 27 and remainder is 14. If you have much practice on the tables or multiplication, these questions will become easier for you. Now I solve seventh part. Seventh part is 952 divided by 34. So we write 952 as dividend, 34 as the divisor. Now consider the table. 34 2 ja 68. See, it is the table. Okay, as you can see, 34 3 ja 102, it is bigger. So we consider 34 2 ja 68. Okay, and after subtraction we have 27. Okay, then copy this 2. Now 272 is divided by 34. So by practice, if you think that multiply by 8, then it will be 272. Okay, so 34 8 ja 272, remainder is 0. So you can write your answer as quotient is 28 and remainder is 0. Now it is the rough work. Erase this. So check the answer. Seventh part of first question. Seventh part is 28 and 0. Okay students. Now I am going to solve 8th part. Here 8th part. It is the division of 847 by 18. Okay, so think about the table. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, 18 3 ja 54, 18 4 ja 72, 18 5 ja 90. Now 90 is not possible as it is bigger. So 18 4 ja 72, and after subtraction we get 12, and copy this 7. Now keep continue till we get 127. So it is 1800, 18 6 ja 108, and it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 18 7 ja 126. Okay, and 18 9 ja 144, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 18 8 ja 18 9 ja 162, 18 8 ja 180. So this is 127. Now we have to select 126, and it comes 7 times. Okay, the remainder is 1. So we have to write quotient equals to 47 and remainder equals 1. Erase this rough work. Okay, and the answer is quotient is 47 and remainder is 1. Next is 10th question. Okay, 10th part. I am going to solve 10th part. It is the division of 945 by 35. So think about the table. 35 1 ja 35, 35 2 ja 70, and 35 3 ja 105. This is bigger than 94. So consider 35 2 ja 70. After subtraction you get 24 and copy this 5. Okay, now it is 245. So if you have an idea that 35 10 ja 350. Okay, 35 10 जा कितना होता है 350 और ये 245 है, तो ऑलमोस्ट ये 35 7 जा या 35 8 जा पर ये नंबर मिल सकता है. नाउ ट्राई विथ 7 जा, 7 5 जा 35 3 कैरी एंड 7 3 जा 21 plus 3 24. Okay, so we got this number 35 7 ja 245 and the remainder is 0. Erase this rough work and you can write quotient equals 27 and remainder equals 0. So this is the answer of 10th part. Okay, 27 and 0. Okay students, and it was all about the division. It was exercise 3.2 and question 1. तो मैंने इस वीडियो में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन सोल्व किया है और जो पार्ट मैंने मिस किए हैं वो आपको असाइनमेंट में गिवन होंगे. सो यू विल सोल्व दोज पार्ट्स विच आई मिस्ड इन दिस वीडियो. ओके, बी सिंसियर, सोल्व द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ योर असाइनमेंट. ऑल द बेस्ट.